Panasonic compact microwave oven with 1200 watts of cooking power, sensor cooking, popcorn button, quick 30-second turbo defrost, NNSN 65 kb 1.2 cubic feet, black. Microwave cooking made easy space saving, 1.2 cubic feet 1200 W sleek black countertop oven with 11 power levels, smart controls and LED, 3-level popcorn button, 13.4-inch. Turntable, easy clean interior, auto and manual controls. Inverter technology generates a seamless stream of microwave cooking power for evenly heated foods edges to center. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor automatically adjusts power and times to take the guesswork out of everyday cooking. Includes 10 sensor cook settings, sensor reheat warms evenly to retain nutrients and texture in leftovers. Inverter turbo defrost for all your frozen foods. Turbo defrost accelerates defrosting time to thaw more quickly and thoroughly for more flavorful foods. 3-level popcorn button. Popcorn lovers can choose the optimal popping temperature and time for different microwave bag capacities, 3.2, 2.7, or 1.5 ounce for hot, sumptuous snacking. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.